Welcome back, everyone. Joe here. Joe's Outdoor Experience. It's another beautiful day down here in North Carolina. It's only going up to about 75, like 77 degrees. It's great. Today, I got a call from my mom last night, actually, saying, hey, a tree fell onto the fence, onto the Kentucky 3-board fence down by the goats. So right now I'm going to go I got this STIHL MS-291 on the back of my Mahindra 1626. I'm going to go take this down below and kind of clear that up a little bit. Changed up plans a little bit as to what I was going to do, but that's totally fine. The goats are having a field day. It landed in their pen. They weren't in there, but it landed in the pen at the time when they were back on the pasture. Since this morning when they were let out of the pen to about now, it's about 12:30 right now, they've been hitting that white oak tree pretty hard. So they're having a field day down. This is like a little buffet for them. So I'm going to go start this Mahindra up, bring that down. I'm going to take the IronCraft 1205 brush cutter off, the rotary cutter off, leave that down below. And tomorrow, the next day, I'm going to actually hook up the backhoe attachment for this Mahindra so I can start doing some other work. If you made it this far, if you don't mind hitting that like button, that'd be great. If you haven't subscribed, if you don't mind subscribing, my name is Joe. We're in North Carolina. We'd love to have you back here, and we're just clearing out the 6-acre property that my parents have here. So thank you, and stick around. All right, guys, so first time seeing this with you here. From the pictures I received, it looked like the tree snapped from here and it just kind of slid off, but looking at the tree and where it came from, it's actually this tree. We're going to follow it up slowly all the way right to there. I'll see if I can get you guys a better angle where you can see. But look at this. Looks like the fence I made held up pretty well, which I'm pretty excited about. Looks like we took a pretty strong hit right here, cracked this, so I might have to put a new string across that side there. But that's for a later date. But yeah, all right, so you can see, let me zoom in for you. Right there is where it snapped. So I could see about maybe in the future video is to get a line up there, hopefully hook it to one of these trees back here, start cutting, and then maybe drop it that way without hitting this fence. I'm really not that skilled with that, but we could try. Why not? Doesn't hurt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to the goats are loving it for right now. So I might leave these few big branches in here. It's not really doing anything for them. They've been eating it, going crazy. So I might leave this cluster in here for the next few days. This cluster right here. And I'll cut this end off, clear this path right now. And like I said, let them eat until these turn, until they really start whittling down. But I'll probably leave that for now. I take the goats out of the pen just in case this here ends up falling to the other end, which is most likely is going to do. I don't want them to be in the way. Look at this. Rip right off. Oh, there's all of them are in there. It's like their little carpenter hotel. All right, so I saw a video on not walking under one of these grapples, or, and here come the goats. Any kind of implement in the front. It was overweighted for what they were lifting, and the whole implement broke off from that front flat area, and the whole piece came down, and the guy was around it. I don't know how to really attach that video to what I'm doing, but it was give a pretty good perspective of why not to be underneath that. So I'm gonna shoo these goats out of here, get this chainsaw started up, and just clear this out. So we just got a little cleanup in here. Gonna go ahead, trim these, get them stacked, move this stuff out of the way. All right, guys, so thanks for sticking around with me. I'm gonna just kind of toss these over the fence, put them inside the grapple here, take them to the back. Nothing that you guys haven't seen several times. I'm gonna leave this the way it is. I kind of just trimmed the back end so that when I come in here in the next few days, I can grab it. I'm gonna leave it. The goats are munching on everything. Look at this. All this, all in here. They're jumping in there. They're kind of eating all the ends here. I don't really see the point of throwing it towards the back if they could really just enjoy it for the next few days before it all disappears. I checked above. There's nothing hanging up, nothing that's going to fall in this area that was connected to this tree, but everything else is down, cut up and trimmed. They're already starting to do their working process here, just enjoying it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't mind, like I said, if you'd hit that like button, If you haven't subscribed, if you can subscribe, that'd be great. We'd love to have you back. Again, my name is Joe. This is Joe's Outdoor Experience, or JOE. These are the shirts, and we'll see you guys on the next one.